Welcome to Diz Virtual Adventures. I am Sean, and this is the rest of the family. We're all here today, here at LEGOLAND Florida. We're going to go to the LEGO movie world. You guys are going to join us. Come join our adventure. Oh yeah. Come join the adventure. Join the adventure. Oh yeah. First up, Masters of Flight. Let's do this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, such enthusiasm. He's always ready for rides. Yeah. Doesn't matter what ride it is. Well, sometimes. Dance party. Yeah. Oh yeah. Next up is this. Little kitty disco drop. I'm not going to it. The kids are going on. They're gonna have fun. Yeah, we needed a extra adult that's just gonna ride with them. Isn't that nice? Was that fun? Was that fun?
I want to do that.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to do that.
So my personal opinion is the Lego movie ride, the Masters of Flight, I think is the best ride that Legoland has. It's their newest ride. I think it's their best that they've done. All the other ones are kind of generic-y. That one's really good. It's very themed really well. It kind of reminds me of Soarin', but I actually like this a little bit better than Soarin'. If you're here, you need to ride it. It's really awesome. We're riding a Lego train around in a circle. I'm gonna get dizzy. I already know it. He loves this ride though. We got the whole ride to ourselves. We got the whole ride to ourselves. Oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's do this. I love this ride. It's almost like the ride they went on earlier, except it just goes up and down. Up and down. about this park the most is actually you can do pretty much everything in one day, if not before the day, like a half a day, because there's stuff to do, but it can go fast. So be prepared for that. Now we're gonna go on a safari. Yeah. Riding a boat, or we're driving a boat, not riding a boat, because it's fun. Yay! He's way over there. He's way over there. She's just now getting in. He beat everybody. Oh yeah. And here they finally come. He took forever. So that is it from Legoland, Florida on a very, very short trip. Just to get out of the house for because of the hurricane coming. But we'll see you guys next time. Remember to live your adventure. Bye-bye.